Welcome to AB Talks on AI. If you've joined the challenge and are wondering how to complete your daily tasks, this quick guide will help you get started. Step 1. Register. Visit the AB Talks on AI website and register for the challenge. Fill in all the required details and join the WhatsApp community to receive daily updates and announcements. Step 2. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. Here you'll find your challenge progress, resources, power files, and daily tasks. Step 3. Click on Start Today's Challenge. Open the task page and copy the prompt provided for the day. Step 4. Before starting, go through the tutorial, learning objectives, resources, and LinkedIn guidelines available on the page. Step 5. Paste the prompt into the recommended AI tool and follow the instructions. Complete the activity and review your output. Step 6. You can share your work on LinkedIn or GitHub. Copy the post or repository URL after publishing. Step 7. Submit. Paste the URL into the submission section or click I have completed today's task. Then click Submit. Once submitted successfully, your task will be marked as completed on the dashboard. Now you can complete your daily tasks easily.
Follow for next day of the 60 Days Claude AI Coding Challenge.